Did you mean to pack them in here?
I did. I want to bring them on vacation with us.
Do you think they're all gonna fit?
It's a little tight, but I think they'll fit.
Yeah, I guess it's only a 4-hour flight. Do they even know where we're going?
No, it's a surprise. But in the next couple weeks, we're going to be doing some YouTube lives. So I hope you guys come along with us.
Awesome. See ya.